So here we are on a job installing an aerial to 3 rooms. We've used an MZR20 television aerial on a pole bolted into the wall. On the bottom of the pole there is a splitter that allows you to take 3 cables, one to each room. So what we've done is clip the cables nice and neatly along the building. So let me get to the back. So we come down, put a nice sealer plate on the outside, and we've mounted the television on the other side with no cables. So this is television aerials, installing an aerial to 3 rooms on a lovely grey day.